Right here, buddy. And out. Out. Hold it. Okay. Breath right here. Hold it. Breathe. A little tender on those ribs.
A little bit.
Push knees up. Straight. I'm gonna check the shin.
Oh, whatever that is.
That is called iliopsoas.